No mount, no handle. Yeah, it was a bit of a walk. We're in Manila again. We're doing a shoot. Lian.
It's me again.
Yeah, I don't have the camera mount, so I can't get like an on-camera first-person perspective thing. So I'm gonna have to put this down on the side when I take photos. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Can you like overlook this way? Yeah. One, two, three. One more. Nice. One last. Right here. One, two, three. So that's the shoot for today. I'm tired. We're tired. Not a
fun though.
Yeah, it's always fun shooting here. It's always fun shooting with you. It's always fun shooting here in Manila, in Intramuros. But yeah, not a lot of POV stuff. I keep on forgetting to turn on the camera, and I didn't have the mount to mount it on to the camera, so not a lot of first-person POV shots. But yeah, see you next video.